What do you call this pool?
Frank. I call this pool Frank after my father, and he used to look down at this view of the dry chalk downs and say it was a beautiful view, but we could really do it with some water. So when he died, we thought what a fitting memorial to put some water in.
changed your life, or has it changed your life?
Completely. It's completely changed it. I can think of nothing worse than a chlorinated pool. I've had no interest in swimming in any environment except for a natural environment. And to have that outside my door is extraordinary. And I have swum every single day. I haven't missed a morning. Not a morning. All the way through the winter, down to -1.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's been a profound change for all of us. You know, you look and there's newts and you think, well, how did you get up here in the dry, on the dry chalk downs? And then, you know, this year these huge fat dragonflies, and then we've got damselflies and water boatmen and all sorts of stuff. It's just amazing. And a natural pool is all very well, but it's a really, really expensive thing to do in a conventional way. Whereas these ponds, built in this way, you know, many more people have a chance of having one, and that's amazing. And it doesn't have to be a big one, it can be a small one. Still get the same pleasure, don't you?
Do your kids like it?
I'm looking at a child now, yes, they really love it. And actually, do you know, they were scared of water, all of them, because they hadn't really been exposed to it. And as the water filled, so as Frank filled, they got their confidence inch by inch by inch by inch. And they were in it when it was 18 inches high. And they were desperately trying to swim in 18 inches high. And then when it came out of the depth, they were ready to go. And they have not looked back.